So today we are at FastSigns in Deerfield Beach with Pieter, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what they do here and their operations because, as your website says, it's more than just signs.
So thank you for coming to interview us and supporting the small businesses in the area.
My pleasure.
We needed during this whole COVID pandemic, small businesses need support because we've been suffering. So FastSigns is a franchise system. It's been around for 35 years now. We're all independently owned and operated. We at FastSigns, we're more pivoting towards a visual communication. The clients come to us, they tell us what they need, we design it, and then we produce it.
And I noticed when I came in to your location, you have Plexiglass, so your clients, if they come in, they are protected, and there's also stickers telling them where to stand and that they have to wear masks. And in talking to your wife, she said that you guys manufacture the plexiglass for clients.
So what we do is we buy the plexiglass in big sheets that are 4 feet by 8 feet, and then a client that needs it calls us. I need a piece of plexiglass that is 50 inches wide by 36 inches tall, and I cut it on the router that I have in the background, in the back room over there, and I make the feet with it so it can sit on their desk, and they can either fix it with double-sided tape or it can sit loose. The one we have in the front is 8 feet long, if I'm not mistaken.
Wow.
And it covers my whole front counter.
Yes.
And it is really to keep the client safe and to keep my employees safe as well.
That's very nice, and so that's a great product. The other thing that your wife was telling me about is that you're going to start doing the shields, the face shields.
We have a source now. We don't make them ourselves, so we buy them already done. We're doing those, and those are good for anybody that is handling face-to-face with clients, or even in office settings, or meetings, or for students and
or my child going back to school.
Exactly.
Wearing a mask for 8 hours is going to be tough, but wearing a shield's a little easier.
And we manufacture also. We do the floor stickers that businesses need right now. As per Broward County health mandate, you need stickers on the floor that show 6 feet apart. You need a sticker on your door that says you can only come in with a mask. And the Broward County Sheriff can actually shut your business down if you don't have that stuff properly installed, and if you don't protect your clients.
And the reason we're able to talk without a mask is that we are beyond 6 feet apart.
Oh yeah, we're more than 6 feet apart.
So we're not breaking any rules or laws, or we're just having a nice interview. So how long have you been in this location?
So my wife and I bought this business in 2014. That was actually February 3rd to be exact. The business has been in this location since 1997, so we've been here for a long time.
Did you always know you wanted to own your own business?
Call it a fluke, I guess. So, I used to smoke. I gave up smoking, and I didn't want to deal with the stress anymore. And I had to reinvent myself. So this is when I got the idea, well, let's buy a business and move to Florida. And that's what we did, and then we came onto the sign business.
And what made you pick the sign business versus the other choices out there?
It was interesting to me because I'm an engineer by education.
Okay.
And it just looked like something that I could enjoy doing.
Yes.
And I think if you're going to have your own business, you should ideally enjoy what you're doing.
Thank you so much, Pieter, for being with us today. I've had several signs made at FastSigns, and they've been fantastic. And your wife takes such pride in her work. I highly have been satisfied with the process, where the signs are placed, how the signs are manufactured. Everything's been just phenomenal.
Thank you for coming by, and if I may say one last thing, while this is going on, we do have a summer sale going on. Magnets, for example, for your car can give you free, very low cost and effective advertising while you're driving around. A banner for your business, or even an A-frame to put out in front of your business.
We're today closing at FastSigns. They're located on Hillsboro in Deerfield Beach.